Welcome to TechVibes. Let's get started. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am going to show you how to block Amazon Fire TV updates right on your router. We'll cover how to secure your router and apply the exploit hack. Then, we will apply the Fire TV exploit hack to completely bypass Amazon updates. Amazon is actively rolling out patches to kill this exploit. If you bought a new Fire TV device, you can absolutely still apply this hack. This is the most critical step in the process. The absolute key is to make sure the device does not update before you run the exploit. See you in the next lesson. This process works perfectly for devices currently sitting on store shelves. Before you even plug in your new Fire TV, you must block the Amazon update URLs inside your router firewall. Open a web browser on your computer and log into your router administration panel. For an Asus router, you just go to asusrouter.com. If you use a different brand, check your manual to access the admin portal. Look for the firewall settings and find the URL filter section. Turn the URL filter on and set the filtering table to a deny list. You need to add the 3 specific Amazon update URLs to this block list. Click the plus button, add each URL separately, and hit apply. Check the description and pinned comments below for the exact URLs to copy and paste. Now that your router is blocking the updates, plug in your new Fire TV device. Go through the initial setup and connect to your Wi-Fi network. The moment the screen changes to check for updates, press and hold the back button and the menu button on your remote at the same time. Keep holding them until the update screen disappears. This completely kills the automatic update process. Press the back button on your remote to continue, then sign in with your Amazon account. Follow the prompts to finish registration, skip the data restore, and load into the main screen. To verify that the over-the-air updates are completely blocked, go to the gear icon, select My Fire TV, and click About. Click Check for updates. The status will display an error or say it last checked never. This confirms your router firewall is doing its job perfectly. While you are in the About menu, highlight the device name and click it 7 times consecutively. Press the back button, open the newly unlocked developer options, and turn on ADB debugging. Go back to the home screen. Now let us quickly prep the Fire TV for the custom interface exploit. Search for the Downloader app on your device. Make sure to choose Downloader by AFTV News. Open the app, click Allow, and click inside the URL box. Type in the code 250931 and hit Go. This opens the TechVibes toolbox. Hold down the OK button for a few seconds to add this page to your favorites for instant access later. Scroll down the toolbox page to download the necessary files. Download Project Ivy Launcher first. Click Install, click Done, and then delete the installation file. Next, download Launcher Manager for Fire TV. Click Install, click Done, and delete the file. Finally, download LM Settings. Click Install, click Done, and delete the file. Press the Home button to return to the main screen. To run the exploit commands, you need a second device like an Android tablet or a computer. Open the Downloader app on your tablet and enter the same code 250931 to access the toolbox. Scroll down and download the Fire TV Toolbox app onto your tablet. Open the app. It will ask for the IP address of your Fire TV. You can find this by going to the gear icon on your Fire TV, clicking About, and checking the Network tab. Type that exact IP address into your tablet app and hit Connect. A prompt will appear on your television screen. Check the box to always allow from this computer and click OK. On your tablet, simply click the Go button next to Set up Launcher Manager. Launcher Manager will automatically launch on your Fire TV screen. Scroll down to the bottom and click Set up LM Settings. Next, click the option to disable over-the-air updates. The screen will confirm that system updates are blocked. Click the option to disable the application blacklist so you can sideload any app without Amazon interfering. Then, disable app protection. Finally, go to the Custom Launcher menu, select Project Ivy, and click Enable Custom Launcher Support. Press the Home button on your remote. The clean, fast, and optimized Project Ivy user interface will load instantly. Walk through the quick onboarding screen, click Allow for permissions, and select No for diagnostic reports. The stock bloated Amazon interface is now completely gone. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Project Ivy settings. Go to General and turn on Override Current Launcher. Then, go to Accessibility Service and turn off the pop-up reminder. Press the Home button, and your custom launcher is locked in as default. To run all your newly installed apps smoothly without any regional blocks or buffering issues, you should always secure your connection with a reliable VPN. I highly recommend installing NordVPN on this device. You can find the direct NordVPN installation link right in the description and the pinned comments below. If you ever want to revert back to the original stock interface, open Project Ivy settings, turn off Override Current Launcher, open the Stock Launcher app, and uninstall Project Ivy from the Applications menu. That is how you block updates at the router level and unlock your Fire TV device. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to TechVibes for more advanced tech tutorials. See you in the next video.